I keep track of my students that are absent or going to be absent in Google Calendar. So for instance, you can see here on February 19th, my first hour, I had one person missing, and second hour, I had two people missing. Sometimes you have kids who are gone for an entire week or a couple days in a row. And I love the fact that if I want to find out how many times they are gone, I would just search this, and I could do search for the kid, and then it shows me every single day that that student was gone. So if they missed a test, they have only a certain number of days to make it up. I know how many days they have and when they have to have it made up by. And I make this under its own Google Calendar underneath mine, which I call Mather Absences. It's very easy to add in. For instance, if I want to, let me see if I can get back here. Oh, back out of the search, here we go. All right, so if I want to put one in, I would click and I would type in fourth hour. Julie M was absent, and I just changed this to Mather absence list and save.